Hi, I'm Joseph Piper of Granite Trademark Services, and I'm here today to talk about the trademark application process in the United States Patent and Trademark Office and give a general timeline of how long it takes to go from a trademark application originally filed to when it'll be registered. Now, as a brief overview, if you're expecting a trademark registration a week after filing, that is just simply not going to happen. In the best case scenario, it might take as little as 8 months. Usually takes closer to a year if everything goes right, and sometimes it can take even longer. So let's discuss why that is. So when a trademark owner originally files a trademark application at the USPTO, after approximately 3 months, the trademark application is given to an examining attorney for review. What the examining attorney is looking for is whether the application meets all the statutory requirements set out by the Trademark Act, also known as the Lanham Act, before it can proceed to registration. So they're looking at things whether there's a likelihood of confusion issues on the register or if the goods and services are properly identified. If the examining attorney sees no issue with the trademark application, he will approve the application to be published for opposition. If the trademark examining attorney does find an issue with the application, they will issue an office action. Office actions can delay applications for a long time. For more about office actions in particular, please see our office action blog and video. Now, after the application is approved for publication, in approximately a month or so, it will be published in what is called the Official Gazette, where it will be published for 30 days. During that 30-day time period, any third party can oppose the trademark application if they believe the registration of the application or the registration of the trademark will harm them. The best way to avoid any kind of third-party opposition is to make sure that before you file a trademark application, there would be no third party out there that would have any kind of claim to oppose. So assuming no party opposes and you have no office actions, after the mark has been published for 30 days and there's no opposition filed, in about 3 months, the USPTO will issue a trademark registration. So that's how things add up pretty quickly with the time period going from 3 months before it's given to an examining attorney, a 1-month review process, about a month before it's published, 30 days when it's published, and then 3 more months before the registration certificate will issue. If you have any questions about the timeline or any of the individual steps in the application process, please feel free to reach out to Granite Trademark Services and we will do our best to help you out. Thank you and have a